Joy Ma Bagula Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Vigyan. By the grace of Ma Bagula Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. And I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit. And you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. Today, 6th November 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, the people will respect your opinion for a whole day, and the employed people may enjoy their salary hike. And the problem you are facing in government related work will be solved very easily during this whole day. And obviously, the romance will remain in your married life and love life also. You may receive some very good new contract in your life if you are doing a good business. And your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today, at the beginning of the day, donate some rice to the needy and then start your daily routine. Obviously, you will get a very good result after doing these things. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. In this day, the stars are indicate some long distance journey in your life during this day. And some unmarried natives may get marriage proposals in their life during this whole day, and you may suffer a loss due to negligence in your life. And obviously, be sensible in economic transaction, all type of economic transaction through this day. And there will be ups and downs on your health front. So obviously be careful about your health. And your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Today, your mother or the older lady of the house and their blessings will be very good for you to improve your career. Then let's talk about the Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will enjoy some creative works, and you might get some new business ideas from your life partner. So be careful about these things and obviously respect your life partner. And you will obviously spend some good time at your workplace, business place, etc. And your health will improve very much during this day. And the authorities will fully trust on you for this whole day. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, put 4 copper nails around your bed. Then start your daily routine. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the 4th sign of the zodiac. In this day, don't take any decision being influenced or manipulated by the bad people who are around you. And obviously, today you might lose your respect. So be careful about these things. And some court case may unfavorable to you during this day. So be serious about these things. And you are advised to keep a good distance in love affairs during this whole day. And obviously do not careless about your health for the day. And your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, keeping a silver piece from your mother will help you in some financial improvement during this whole day. Then let's talk about Leo, the 5th sign of the zodiac. In this day, all of your work will be completed on time, and your participation in intellectual activities will increase very much for the day. But from an economic perspectives, the day will be very better, and there will be a very good success in some finance and marketing related jobs. So enjoy the day, and money will be spent on the children will be very good and beneficial for you. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, you need to make sure that the grandma does not see her grandson. Be serious about these things. Then let's talk about the 6th sign of the zodiac, Virgo. In this day, you will enjoy a great family pleasures in your life, and you will have some concern of a business. But some old disputes might be resolved today very easily, so obviously be careful about them. And the luck will favor you for the day at every corner, and you will have to wait a little for the money during this day. And there will be an atmosphere of peace and harmony in your house, and that is a very good sign to improve your day. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Today, at the beginning of the day, store some water in a container and keep it within the boundaries of your home. Then start your daily routine. Obviously, you will get a very good result in your life by doing these things. Then let's talk about the 7th sign of the zodiac, Libra. In this day, the seniors of your life will be pleased with your behavior, and you might get a very good job offer from a very big company, and that will be very good to you. And during the visit in this day, you may have some chance to meet some relatives, which will be very good to you. And some prestige of politician will increase very much during this whole day. And obviously, the value of people will involved in writing related work will increase very much during this whole day. Your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, at the beginning of the day, serve some milk or a milk-made product to the workers, and after doing this, you will get a very good success in your life. Then let's talk about Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will distract from your target, achieve your goal. So be careful about these things, and don't rush in making any kind of new contracts in your life. And some unnecessary money will spend on your marital resource. And obviously you will feel alone during this whole day. And you might face some financial problems also this day. And your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, obviously stop adultery and gambling to improve your financial side. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the 9th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will start your day with full enthusiasm, and obviously it will be very good to you. But be sure to get any kind of advice from any senior people around your life. And obviously love will increase in married life, love life, etc. But most of the day will pass quite very well. And obviously your life partner will give you a good advice to improve your career. So obviously respect her or him. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Today at the beginning of the day, drink honey first, then start your daily routine. Obviously you will get a very good success in your life after doing these things. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. You might get some loan to start your big projects during this day, and obviously it will be very good for you. And obviously any wish you may have is fulfilled during this whole day. And you might switch your jobs or your business or your profession in this day, but be careful, it will be not so much good to you during this day. And obviously you will try to start a new work as soon as possible to improve your career. And obviously the family member will be very happy with you during this whole day. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you for the day. At the beginning of the day, serve milk or any kind of a milk-made product to your father with your own hand. But if there is no more your father with your life, then serve it to your father's photograph. Then start your daily routine. And obviously doing by these things you will get a very good success to improve your career. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. In this day, some relatives may visit your house, and obviously by these things you will enjoy the day, and you will discuss your plans to anyone. If you do this, it may be some harmful to you, and you will become a big identity in your work field, business field, etc. And you will be very pleased with the education of your children during this whole day, and the day will be very auspicious in every kind of financial matters which are related with your life. And there will be some tendency to charity, and it will be obviously good to you. Your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Today you should think and speak in front of others during this whole day, and obviously it will be good to you. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces. In this day, your days is very hectic, and obviously you will remain mentally disturbed for this day. So be careful about these things, and there may be some inferiority complex in your mind from the beginning of the day. So you are advised to control your expenses during this whole day, and some close ones may be jealous of you from the beginning of the day. So obviously be careful for this day. And there will be a shortage of savings in your life. By these things you will get some angriness also. Your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Careful, today adultery will be very detrimental to both of your reputation and your wealth. So obviously careful. Anyway, This was the judgment of Aries to Peace from today's match, its question and remedial action, and I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi like every day. Let Emma keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a very good situation in their life so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today, I'll be back at the right time tomorrow and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge a pieces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.